हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम सेकंड ऑर्डर स्टार इफ़ेक्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे। मैं डॉक्टर अल्पना गोगरू, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर फिज़िक्स, एसपीसी गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज अजमेर। सेकंड ऑर्डर और क्वाड्रेटिक स्टार इफेक्ट, if the electric field strength increases about 10 to the power 5 volts per centimeter, it is observed that star components of hydrogen lines cannot be explained on the basis of formulae which illustrate that the displacement is linearly proportional to the strength of the electric field. It is further observed that the displacement is proportional to the square of the field strength, and in hydrogen it is known as second order Stark effect, and in atoms other than hydrogen like it is known as quadratic Stark effect. The square of the electric field dependence of Stark effect may be explained as follows. When an atom is placed in an electric field, it becomes electrically polarized, that is, center of the positive charge of this system is shifted by some amount from the center of negative charge in the direction of the field applied. The result of this action is the generation of electric dipole moment, which is proportional to the strength of the electric field, and magnitude depends upon the orientation of J with field direction. The rate of precession depends upon the strength of the electric field. The precession rate increases with increasing field. The change in energy will be given by strength of electric field into dipole moment. The dipole moment in turn is proportional to the electric field strength, making thereby net energy shift as proportional to the square of the field strength. At the same time, due to square dependence level with same mj will have the same energy shift. It means that the direction of precession does not alter the dipole moment, or electric field does not define the direction of precession. Thus, for given j, we will have j plus half or j plus 1 energy levels in the electric field according to j is half integer or an integer. When field is very strong electric field में किस तरह से स्टार्क इफेक्ट चेंज होगा? In very strong electric field, computing between L and coupling between L and S breaks down, and L and S become separately quantized. The result is that level with different ml have different energy. For each value of ml, that is magnitude, ms can be assumed as 2j plus 1 values, but when ml is equal to 0, states with different ms have same energy, because in an electron itself no dipole moment can be induced. The splitting of 3d levels in very strong electric field is shown in this. इनकी अलग अलग वैल्यूज़ के लिए स्प्लिटिंग किस तरह से होगी फील्ड की, वो इस डायग्राम में दिखाया गया है. ट्रांजिशंस आर सब्जेक्टेड टू सिलेक्शन रूल्स को फॉलो करते हुए ये सारे ट्रांजिशंस होंगे. पहला सिलेक्शन रूल है आपका डेल्टा एम एल इज़ इक्वल टू क्या हो सकता है आपका 0 और पाई कंपोनेंट, और डेल्टा एम एल इज़ इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस साई कंपोनेंट्स. डेल्टा एम एल इज़ इक्वल टू +1 0 एंड -1, और इस तरह से हम इन सिलेक्शंस रूल्स को फॉलो करते हुए यहाँ पे देखेंगे वो ट्रांजिशन पॉसिबल होंगे जो कि सिलेक्शंस रूल्स को फॉलो करेंगे. पोलराइजेबिलिटी ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम. व्हेन एन एटम इज प्लेस्ड इन एन एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, द क्लासिकल ऑर्बिट इज disturbed. The main effect will be a displacement of the orbit as a whole in the direction of the electric field. The displacement is restricted by the electric field of nucleus, which tend to put the orbit back to the original position, centering on the nucleus. To a first approximation, the restoring force is proportional to the displacement of the orbit. The polarizability is defined at the mean displacement of the orbit per unit electric field. and the polarizability alpha can be given by alpha is equal to d upon E, where d is the displacement of the orbit in the direction of the electric field E as shown in figure. In quantum theory, we must consider the mean value of displacement as d is equal to integration psi star z psi dz means z magnitude, where z is the value of coordinate in the direction of the electric field. We know z bar vanishes in the absence of electric field. If we consider hydrogen atom, the second order star effect could be interpreted in terms of an induced electric dipole moment. The induced moment is proportional to the electric field strength and in the same direction. The displacement of the orbit is called displacement and represented by d. The ratio alpha of the displacement to electric field strength is called polarizability. For charged isotropic harmonic oscillator, the energy change in this case is equal to minus half of alpha E square.